Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Terry, and if you're new and you've never seen my face before, please remember to hit the subscribe button so you can join the family and you never miss an upload from me. Then I'm going to brush up my eyebrows and then I'll set it in place using my Pond's oil controlling lotion. This is a hack I learned from a makeup artist. Guys, it works. You can substitute this with your setting powder, but the primer I'll be using today is the e.l.f. Poreless primer. I think I used it in my last video too. It creates such a smooth canvas for you to start applying your makeup. So I'll be using my Fit Me Matte Poreless foundation and I'll be mixing it with my Revlon Color Stay foundation. And I'm going to apply that all over my face. I'll blend that all in using my foundation brush from EJ Beauty. That's Evita Joseph. I have a discount code for these brushes and I'll leave that in my description box down below. So my beauty blender is next and I'm going to use that to really melt that foundation into my skin. But I'll be highlighting using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. So I thought I needed and I'm also going to contour using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Mahogany. For my nose contour, I'll be using my Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Chestnut. I'll be using the same brush I used to blend out my foundation to blend out my highlight, and I'll also go in with another brush to blend out my contour. I used a smaller brush from Real Techniques to blend out my nose contour just to make sure it's a little more precise. And as you all know, I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques beauty blender and I'm going to mesh everything together so you don't see where my highlight is starting, where my contour is ending. Everything just looks seamless. So once I'm done, I'm going to go in with my RCMA No color powder. I really love this powder so much, but I do not bake using this powder. I just use it to set my face and then I dust it off like almost immediately. I'm using my Black Opal setting powder to set my entire face to bring some more color into my face. I'm using my CoverGirl Queen bronzer to bronze up those cheekbones, you know, and my nose contour. Since I'm not using any eyeshadow in this makeup look, I'm going to use my CoverGirl Queen bronzer to create some depth in my eyes, in my eye crease, to make it seem as though I have something going on, but I really have nothing going on. It just makes the look so much more interesting. And then I'll use my Maybelline mascara. I've forgotten the name of this, but I'll leave it in my description box. For blush, I'll be using my Nubian 2, my favorite eyeshadow palette, my Nubian 2, in the shade Morocco. This color just brings life back into my face. It's awesome. But I like to blend out my blush using my powder brush, just to make sure the blush is not too harsh on my face. And then I'll be setting my face using my favorite setting spray of all time, my L'Oreal Infallible setting spray. This spray, it just dropped the mic for me. Also, comment down below what you think about my fan. It makes me feel so fancy. I ordered a couple of lashes from AliExpress, and this was one of them. It's the Manina lashes. I hope I got that right. These lashes are so dreamy, so natural looking. And for my lips, I'll be using the EJ Beauty lip gloss in Utility. But first, I'm going to line my lips using a regular schmegular lip liner pencil. This pencil is 2 Ghana cedis and it's equivalent to 0.3 cents. It's really affordable and super dark. As you can see, I'm left with a pinky size, but I'm going to use that baby till it's donezo.
So I thought I needed.
I'm just going to use a little highlighter. I don't want to go overboard with this. I just want to use a little highlighter to bring some light back into my face. And then, guys, you can leave a comment down below to let me know if there's any other videos you'd like me to film for you guys. I have a lot of content lying around that I can film, but if there's anything you personally as a viewer would like to see, please leave it in the comment section below. I would love to film what you want to see.
So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed. Thought I needed. So I thought I needed.
Voila, I'm done. This look can be worn absolutely anywhere at all. I really enjoyed filming this video for you guys. If you liked it, please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you never miss another upload from me. And I'll see you in my next video next week. I post every single week, guys. Yes, I'm on a roll. I love you guys so much, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.